Through this forum, we aim to empower our tenants, occupants, and stakeholders with a proper understanding of disasters and the appropriate skills to respond effectively.
Napakahalaga na nasasanay tayo na maging handa sa kahit anumang sakuna, na handa natin ang ating opisina, pati ang ating pamilya. Mapapangalagaan natin ang kabuhayan, pati ang buhay ng bawat isa sa kumpanya.
So ito ay all hands, kakibat ang bawat ahensya ng gobyerno, private entities, including the churches and schools, the very Filipino and every Filipino. They must ride along the railroad towards resilience.
PNB Holdings is committed to a safe and secure environment for our employees, valued tenants, guests, and visitors in our properties. That's why we are doing this Palaging Handa Caravan to make sure that we are sending messages to our employees and valued tenants the importance of preparedness, especially when it comes to disaster.
I ask you all today to commit to building a safer and more resilient community. Together, we can ensure that every member of the PHC community is equipped with the knowledge and tools to face any challenge that may come our way.